There's a bird in the house. Where did it go? Katie! There it is. Oh my god. Bird in the house. This is bad. Ah! It's flying at me. How do birds get in this house? I don't get it.
It's from something on the roof.
It's behind the curtain. Oh, there it is. This is intense.
Will you guys please stop screaming?
If it flies at me, I'm gonna scream.
Then get the fuck in the bedroom.
No need for cusses. Let Georgia get it. Georgia, you got this! The age-old battle. Bird versus... Ah!
Or it'll like almost die.
It has a peck, a beak. Go, Georgia, go! Georgia's like, I'm on this. Oh, victory is ours! Were you scared?
Yes.